Mastering implicit bias solutions. Blind spots hide in our metrics, hamstringing true progress. Where can we identify the key performance indicators, KPIs, that will accurately measure the success of implicit bias solutions implemented within our organization? To ensure the success of implicit bias solutions, it is crucial to establish clear and measurable key performance indicators, KPIs, that can accurately assess the effectiveness of these initiatives within our organization. These KPIs should be carefully selected to provide a comprehensive understanding of the impact of implicit bias solutions on our operations, employee behavior, and overall organizational performance. Firstly, KPIs related to employee engagement and perception can be used to measure the success of implicit bias solutions. These may include employee satisfaction surveys. Regular surveys can be conducted to assess employee perceptions of fairness, inclusivity, and respect in the workplace. Questions can be designed to gauge employees' feelings about their workplace experiences, including their interactions with colleagues, managers, and customers. Implicit bias awareness and education. The number of employees participating in implicit bias training programs, workshops, and webinars can be tracked. Additionally, metrics can be set to measure the increase in employee understanding and awareness of implicit bias, its impact, and strategies for mitigation. Employee feedback mechanisms. The establishment and utilization of anonymous feedback mechanisms, such as hotlines, surveys, or focus groups, can provide valuable insights into employee concerns, suggestions, and recommendations. This feedback can be used to identify areas for improvement and track the effectiveness of implicit bias solutions. Secondly, KPIs focused on operational excellence can help evaluate the impact of implicit bias solutions on our organizational processes and outcomes. These may include performance metrics. Tracking key performance metrics, such as productivity, quality, and efficiency, can help identify any biases in our processes and provide insights into areas for improvement. For example, metrics can be set to monitor the time taken to complete tasks, the quality of outputs, and the number of errors or reworks. Decision-making quality. The quality of decisions made by managers and leaders can be assessed by tracking metrics such as the diversity of candidates hired, promoted, or selected for development programs. This can help identify any biases in the decision-making process and ensure that opportunities are fair and equitable. Customer satisfaction. Customer feedback and satisfaction surveys can provide insights into the impact of implicit bias on customer experiences and perceptions. Metrics can be set to measure customer satisfaction, loyalty, and retention rates. Thirdly, KPIs related to diversity, equity, and inclusion, DEI, can be used to measure the success of implicit bias solutions in promoting a culture of inclusion and respect. These may include diversity metrics. Tracking metrics such as the diversity of our workforce, leadership, and candidate pipelines can help identify areas for improvement and monitor progress towards a more inclusive and diverse organization. Inclusion index. Developing an inclusion index can help measure the sense of belonging, inclusion, and respect among employees. This index can be based on factors such as representation, engagement, and opportunities for growth and development. Pay equity. Metrics can be set to monitor pay equity across different demographic groups, ensuring that compensation practices are fair, equitable, and unbiased. Lastly, KPIs focused on accountability and sustainability can ensure that implicit bias solutions are sustained over time and that accountability mechanisms are in place to drive continued improvement. These may include leadership accountability. Metrics can be set to measure the accountability of leaders and managers in promoting a culture of inclusion, respect, and fairness. This can include tracking their participation in implicit bias training, their role in promoting diversity and inclusion initiatives, and their accountability for promoting fair and equitable practices. Continuous improvement. Establishing a culture of continuous improvement can ensure that implicit bias solutions are regularly reviewed, updated, and refined. Metrics can be set to track the number of improvement initiatives undertaken, the effectiveness of these initiatives, and the ROI of these efforts. By establishing a comprehensive set of KPIs that cover these 4 areas, we can ensure that our implicit bias solutions are effective, sustainable, and drive meaningful change within our organization.